Whoa! Let's go. Let's go on an adventure.
Boom! How's that for an intro? There'll be more of that. So we're getting into it. This is a new series. This entire thing just at the end now, but this is the end result. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It took me about a week to work on this entire thing. So enjoy. Not really put together that great, but it is going to go in order. So the videos will be in order. It's going to be broken up into different videos of different lengths, but I'm going to cover all the months that we did stuff and what happened in those months. Some months will actually be cut up into smaller pieces because there's a lot of stuff. But yeah, so enjoy that. And all the way at the end, the very last video, I will put some stats up for the entire year. We're well into March. Spring is right around the corner. And I need to go back and we're going to do a 2025 year in review. Basically all the stuff we got into, we as in everybody in my family, everybody I tried to drag along with my crazy adventures, everybody, yeah, that was there. Some of the people will be left out, and they'll be left out on purpose. They requested not to be in any videos, so out of respect to them, I will do that. So if a picture looks kind of off or odd, they were specifically cropped out of those pictures to protect their face and name and whatever. Out of respect to them. I don't want to do pictures with the like blurry faces. I just personally feel that's disrespectful, but if I crop somebody out, then technically they've never been in the picture, especially if I put it out publicly. But I know who they were, and they were there. They know who they were, and they were there. But you know, so we'll just get into that. So this is the 2025 year in review, and this is going to be a long one. I'll probably just break it up and then splice it together when I do the editing later. Hopefully this will be less than a day's worth of work, but it's quite a bit. It's quite extensive, and there's a lot of stuff. So this is probably going to be, as of right now, the most recent events that have happened. You know, a lot of my other videos were some sea stories, stuff that happened when I was in the Navy, which was over 20 years ago. This is just simply last year, since, like I said, it's March, so only a couple months ago. But we'll just start. Really, nothing happened in January. A lot of this came from pictures on my phone, so they will pop up pictures, videos, whatever I have. I'll link stuff together and kind of animate stuff if I can. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of pictures, so a lot of back and forth. There'll be me voiceover or just telling the story, and then I'll just put the pictures in, and they'll be full screen so you can see them. I'll leave them up for a little while, if you know, I'm not just gonna flash a picture and then you don't get to see it. So I'll leave it up if you want to pause the video and take a longer look at some of the pictures. Sometimes they just go along with the story, and then there'll be just a bunch of flashes and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I went to my nephew's wrestling tournament. I was a wrestler in high school. I was pretty good, actually. I wasn't a state champ. Anybody who knows me, I'm not bragging. I really am not. I was decent. I was decent enough where I tried to continue it after high school. It didn't exactly work out, but yeah. So I do love the sport. I love watching the sport. So the new generation coming up, I tried to get my son into it. That was not by my fault. It was actually him. He did not like the sport. and he actually hates the fact that I bring it up all the time, where he's like, "Oh, I never knew that," and I'm like, "Yes, you could have learned that if you just opened up to wrestling, because it's there." But uh, it teaches you different things about yourself. It teaches you different things about your opponents, about your coaches, your parents, and stuff like that. And people who haven't done it don't get those lessons in life. And if you stick with it, if you do it long enough, you get that click, and you're like, "Oh, this makes sense to me." And those lessons will follow you your entire life. So, if you ever get a chance, get your kids into it. But yeah, so I went to my nephew's wrestling tournament, and that's basically my January. I left it out when I originally recorded this video, but now I'm just getting it so I could put it in there. So that was January. He did take first place, which was very impressive. He I'm not saying anything bad. When you guys see this, I'm not saying anything bad. He is hit and miss with his skills and his motivation, but this time everything was on point, and he did spectacular. It was very, very impressive. And there's a picture of my cat sleeping on my arm. So, uh, when we move into February, that's where things start getting interesting.